Hello friends, I'm here on SP Falurian in the Channel Islands of Southern California. Stateside for a bit, doing some visiting, and out here exploring my friend John and Brooke at Santa Cruz Island. I got a good package at my little brother's house I'm very excited about and want to share with you guys. Check it out. I'm very stoked to announce that I'm now an ambassador for Mustang Survival, and they sent me a whole kit of fowlies. Got this jacket, light weather jacket, which is really nice, perfect for close-in coastal cruising and stuff. They sent me this new Offshore jacket. Which is great because my other Offshore jacket was so toasted. Really nice Offshore. They sent me a whole new set of bibs. Nice Offshore bibs, which are much needed. My old ones I've had for almost 10 years, and I'm just soaking wet underneath them. So new ones are great. They also sent me like a really nice new tech shirt. So I love these tech shirts. This is what I wear offshore, especially in the tropics, constantly, because they're UV rated. And a t-shirt and a neck gaiter. So Mustang hooked it up. They got me all set on Offshore gear. Check it out. Nice stuff. And this stuff is going to be a lifesaver for my upcoming trip to sailing from Newfoundland to Greenland to Iceland with 59 North. And this is what's going to take care of me on that crazy Viking Route passage. So the timing could not be better. I have long used Mustang Survival PFDs. I think they're the best PFDs on the market, and I've always used those, and so I'm really happy to be working with them and using their gear to keep me safe and warm offshore and inshore. And yeah, I can't wait to show you all the action adventure shots with the Mustang Survival gear. Make sure you stay tuned to my YouTube channel and see me put the gear through the paces as we sail from Newfoundland to Greenland and on to Iceland. The Viking Route with 59 North. Boulder watch. We're coming up to some bergy bits we're going to push our way through. And the scene up here is ridiculous. So beautiful. Totally out of this world and impossible to sort of like recognize as like real life. Greenland is out of control.
Straight, there's a large piece of ice just in front of us. I would love to get a mask on and swim under there right now. James,
Yeah.
can I pass between the larger piece and the smaller piece?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, reach it right for that little teeny piece that's right in the middle. You go right between. Slow! I'm not worried about hitting that. Okay, look at the footprint